Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and a lot of people have been asking me, Raging Waters, how do they get it ready for the summertime? And so I figured, while they're still getting it ready, let's go ahead and give you a quick little tour from up here at least. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up, and a special thank you out to my Patreons at patreon.com, because then I can make videos like this. If you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's give you a quick little tour. Let's get started in the front, and yes, they started filling all the pools already. You can see what it looks like right here. Almost looks like they painted the bottom, because that is really, really blue. It's like I've never seen it that blue before. Maybe the camera doesn't show it that well, but it looks really good. They actually started filling up a lot of the pools. As you go over, here's the activity pool. It doesn't look like they hung up any of the activities just yet. That is filled up and ready to go. Remember, they have the pig dog back here, which is awesome. Great food, great drinks. Gonna pan over here. You'll see that the hot tub has not been filled yet, or the fountain pool. This one over here, not filled either, but this one's filled. I never actually seen, they have a cover on here. Honestly, never seen them put a cover on here before. That is pretty neat. See, there's water in this one. I don't see water up there. You see that some of the pools are being filled. You guys are asking me, has there been any changes back here? Not really, not that I can see. Looking over this way. Man, I can't wait to be here. I've got my season pass. I actually have to go get it redeemed. You'll make your way over and notice that, yeah, the lazy river is not filled right now. No water in there. I think that's the last thing they fill up. It's got to take a lot of water, right? And because, you know, it's still early, they have a little more time. You can see all the trash cans are still out. They're actually, what they do is they clean these out, just like how they clean the mats out before they put them out. Same thing with the life vests. And the chairs are still in storage. You notice it didn't look weird with no chairs. A lot of space everywhere without any chairs. See down here, there's some fencing and a few other things. We're gonna make our way up so we can look at the Shipwreck Shaws. Which, by the way, if you don't know, this ship over here, the Nancy, this one here is actually based off of a true story down here. And I have a video for that in the Wildwood Video Archive. So go ahead and check it out. Check out Shipwreck Shaws in the search. It's actually a really interesting story. Once again, this whole area looks strange without any chairs in it, right? You can see Morey's has some new chairs. Some there, a couple back there. Nothing much to report right now. And here is Pig Dog. Not open just yet. Maybe by the time I put this video up. But they're just getting the beach set up. You can see they're hanging lights out here. And those fences out there has nothing to do with this. This was a different event for this weekend. It was the beach scramble by Red Bull, believe it or not. Pretty neat. First year they're doing it. How much water do you think it takes to fill up the lazy river? Let me know in the comments section, and then eventually I'll put the answer down there, because let's just say it's a lot of water. Anyway, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you on the beach, which is right over here. It is a beach now. I'll tell you that. Definitely a beach now. See you later.